Hello friends! Let's learn some colors. Red color, green color, brown color, blue color, black color, pink color, yellow color, purple color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Square, square, ellipse, ellipse, trapezoid, trapezoid, hexagon, hexagon, arrow, arrow, pentagon, pentagon. Now let's color the shapes. Violet color, red color, green color, yellow color, yellow color, brown color, brown color, orange color, orange color, square, ellipse, trapezoid, hexagon, arrow, pentagon. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.